Good day everyone, I'm Marvind, and for today's episode, I would like to share about a landmark case, which is the case of Anton Piller versus Manufacturing Processes. Well, in this case, the plaintiff, Anton Piller, is a German manufacturer of frequency converter for computers. Meanwhile, the defendants are an English company and also two directors who are also the agent that has been appointed by the plaintiff in United Kingdom. These agents are the dealers who obtain the machine directly from the plaintiff, and they are entitled and responsible to sell them to the customers in England. On top of that, they are also being supplied with some of the confidential information regarding the machine, which includes some information about how does the machine works and also some drawings which subjects to the copyright. So what happened next is that the plaintiff get to know that there was secret communication that was going on between the defendants and also another German manufacturer who is also direct rival to Anton Piller. They get to know that there was the defendant was supplying some of the information about the machine, their product, to the rival, and they were afraid that with that information they would be able to come up with similar product with them. So with that, they wanted to restrain the defendant from making any copies of the machine. But at the same time, they were afraid that if they notify the defendant, they will dispose all the documents and send out of jurisdiction. So with that, the plaintiff decided to apply for an order from the court to authorize the plaintiff solicitor to enter the defendant premises to inspect and move all the documents back to their office. It was held that the court have inherent jurisdiction to grant such order, but before that, there are a few conditions that has to be fulfilled. First of all is that there must be an extremely strong prima facie case. The second condition is that the damage potential or actual must be very serious for the applicant, and the third condition will be the existence of incriminating material in the defendant's possession. And then a few developments took place and the fourth requirement was introduced. And the fourth requirement is the inspection will not do real harm to the defendant, and also the order does not authorize the plaintiff to enter the premise of the defendant without the defendant's will. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more episodes to come. With that, signing off. Bye.